Does that work?
Officially the smallest mobile phone in the world. Meet the Zanco Tiny T1.
I feel like it's a USB stick.
This fully functioning talk and text mobile phone is unbelievably tiny. It's the must-have novelty gift for any gadget lover. It's smaller than your thumb, it's lighter than a coin, and it is ridiculously cute. The first time you see it, you can't believe it exists. Your second thought is, does it work? Use the Tiny T1 as a backup or emergency phone that you can keep in your bag, pocket or glove compartment. You can travel light with the world's smallest mobile phone, and it's ideal for joggers, runners, walkers, cyclists, or if you're into extreme sports. Whether you're looking for a backup for safety on a night out, or maybe your smartphone doesn't fit your look, the Zanco Tiny T1 has you covered. Fit the Zanco Tiny T1 into your festival bag, so there's no worries about losing your expensive smartphone. Looking for a conversation starter? The world's smallest phone breaks the ice in any situation. You can save up to 300 numbers, make and receive calls, and even text. Be a part of the tiny revolution and be the first among your friends to own a piece of history.
This is Jelly, the world's smallest 4G smartphone. It's hard to imagine a world without smartphones, but with performance, also the sizes were increasing. And sometimes we just wish to have a smaller phone. So we developed Jelly, bringing you all the convenience and performance of other smartphones packed in a case as small and portable as possible. Jelly fits into any pocket without compromising on features. It is the perfect phone for travel or outdoor sports, or simply great as a backup phone. With the dual SIM card slots, you can easily manage work and personal calls. By taking advantage of the powerful Android Nougat system, you can get the ultimate user experiences on talking, texting, watching videos, tracking sport trails, and using your favorite apps. Jelly has 2 cameras ready to capture any moments or even taking perfect selfies. The battery is replaceable and fully charged, lasts up to 3 days working time or 7 days standby time. Our goal was to design a great mini-sized smartphone that is smaller and lighter than anything on the market, but also supports 4G network. We focused on so many details for a maximum performance, while also going through many design and testing stages, just to ensure that Jelly is reliable and looks awesome for everyone. In order to get Jelly alive, we need your support. Please join us, and let's make Jelly become real.
The world's smallest 4G rugged smartphone. It fits in the palm of your hand, it's waterproof, dustproof, and shockproof. A portable, powerful, and reliable companion for any outdoor activity. Specially designed to be compact, convenient, and much smaller than other rugged outdoor phones, yet still packed with performance and features that keep you connected with any 4G network. The fingerprint scanner lets you quickly unlock the screen for fast access to phone and camera, so you won't miss any important calls or photos. The Atom includes a handy clip that makes it easy to carry securely for any outdoor activities. Although it's tiny in size, it comes with a 2000 mAh built-in battery, more than sufficient for your daily outdoor usage. Atom runs the powerful Android 8.1 operating system, an octa-core processor, and 64 gigabit storage, so that you can watch HD video, play the latest games, and use your favorite apps on the go. Thanks to the IP68 waterproof rating, you can bring it for swimming, snorkeling, or diving, and even shoot underwater photos. The Atom is a stylish phone that is perfect for busy, modern lives. It's compact, looks good, and always ready to go anywhere your day takes you. After our first successful Kickstarter campaign for Jelly last year, we are back with our second product. Atom is our vision for the ultimate rugged phone. Our experienced team put a lot of effort into design, development, and testing. And now we are ready to launch. We couldn't have made it this far without the support of the Kickstarter community. So we are back here with Atom. Pledge now and be the first to receive Atom. Thanks for the support.